everybody. Welcome back. It's Jyoti. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? कैसे हैं आप? I'm good. I'm good. I had to get to this song. It was on my list from so long, and I don't know why I'm doing it like this. I've heard the album, you all know, because रोहन के साथ इतना extensive discussion किया था हमने last episode of Unpopular Opinions. If you haven't seen it, what are you doing? What are you doing? Go watch it. Go watch it now. But yeah, we talked about the project, so I've heard it, but I didn't hear every song very, carefully. And also, we talked about how Frappe sits right in the middle of the pop and the hip hop spaces, है ना? So I'm excited to check this out. Sharmili, I checked. उसके बाद Juice आया, which I've not checked. It's on my list. फिर ये आया और फिर Bin On आया. So I did Sharmili and I did the video of Bin On. Um, but yeah, now I'm getting to this. Somebody DM'd and reminded me. So here I am. But yeah, very excited. So let's see who is on this Bharg. So Frappe and Toorjo, of course. This one features Bharg. Yeah. Favorites and Yash Raj Mishra. Okay. कितने यश राज हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में? यश राज मिश्रा. यश राज नहीं है, यश है. Raj Mishra, middle and son. So don't confuse with Yash Raj Mehra. Okay, so written and performed by Frappe and Bharg. Okay, so Bharg is not producing. Producer status nahi hai isme, performer status. Very nice. I like it. So he's written and he's sung. Produced by Toorjo and Yash Raj Mishra and engineered by Akash Shravan. Akash Shravan, I don't know how you mix Frappe's. I don't know how you mix master Frappe songs because kitne elements, kitne, matlab. And then, of course, we have Aditi Bobby. Yeah. So on my radar, she's the only female music video director. At least from the ones I have come across and covered on the channel. And she is doing a fab job and I love it. And I have my eyes on her. She is going to go places and upwards is going to happen for her. I have a very strong feeling. So, theek hai, very excited. She has actually directed some of my most favorite recent music videos that I've come across. So, I'm now more excited about this video. Frappe ke videos वैसे भी hilarious or insane hote hain, but yeah, so I'm very excited. I want to get right in, but before I get to this song of Frappe's, let me tell you about a song that he has recently done a cameo in. I got to shine a spotlight on this artist. He is from Delhi's underground scene, doing very well for himself. Some of you may have already heard of him. He's Sanjay with an X, and काफी impressive catalog already है उनका. He's got 2 mixtapes, 2 EPs, and over a dozen singles that he's released. He of course, writes, produces his tracks himself, and he also directs most of his music videos, which is insane. But yeah, full all-rounder लगते हैं मुझे. And like I said, he's built quite a cult following already in the underground scene. He is, अगर classify करना हो, you can probably say that his sound is very unique in that it's pop rap with soul and a lot of raw storytelling. And his music videos especially have a very sort of handheld vlog wala aesthetic, and I think that's very very real and relatable, no, in many levels. So yeah, now he's back again and he's dropping a new mixtape called 20 somethings, and as the name suggests, it's going to be very relatable for 20 something year olds. It is a project with Mehra ji and PKM, and basically uska lead single ab release ho gaya hai. It's out everywhere and it's called Homework. It features Unfuck Man, and इसके वीडियो में आपको दिखेगा वो कैमियो that I just mentioned.
हाथ मुंह धोए सुबह 7 बजे मेट्रो में सीट नहीं आंख लगे शौक 3 बड़ा साथ चले 4 जने लोग की पूरा सीन जाने खाना में.
Basically, it captures the exact feeling of being 20 something in Delhi, which is the overall theme for this mixtape as well. So, sonically, it's got Logan on the beat, and there's a lot of funky bass lines and interesting key changes through the track. I think you're going to enjoy it. And of course, with Sanchez's unique and distinct raspy voice on the vocals, keeping it all together, I think it's definitely one for your playlist. So check it out. लेकिन इसका music video सबसे पहले check out करना, क्योंकि बहुत ही unique है in that it's shot with a handheld. It's got this very raw feel, kind of like a day in the life, a vlog, and just a peek into these very real and relatable daily moments. So plus, of course, cameos to hai hi. So yeah, I would recommend you go check out Homework. Check out the music video first. I have linked it below in the description box. And check out the video first. Leave a comment that you came from my recommendation and get into the visual world of Homework before you go on and listen to it later, which I know you will, off your speaker. So yeah, I have linked the music video below in the description box, along with all of Sanchez's other social media handles and relevant links. So definitely go check him out. And if you enjoy this song, check out the rest of his catalog as well. and 20 somethings, I think, will be a very, very relatable project for many. So, yeah. Now let's come back to the other Frappe Ash song that we are here for today. This one is now Aarzoo, him and Toorjo, and let's get right into it. Chalo, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I must also say, I really love how, all the underground artists who've obviously known each other a while, um, in the Delhi scene, and Frappe used to be one of them. I just love how they all collaborate and work together all the time. It's amazing. And see, Bharg is also here. He's also one of them. But yeah, love the Dostana. 1, 2, 3, play. What is that TV?
जो तुमने मन बना लिया तो क्या कहूँ, क्या एक दूजे को पाने की ये चाहत हूँ, ये काले चश्मे होने ना दे तुमसे गुफ्तगू, तो क्या करूँ मैं, कुछ आरज़ू है, क्या तुम सुनोगे जिंदगी ये पटरी बदल क्यों, बना रहे जो रास्ते वो खुद से नामशहूर है, पैरों के निशान ले जाते अपने संग ये धूल, संभाले कैसे, बताएं कैसे, जो आरज़ू है कि तू बता भी दे, मुझको चाहती है तू, हम जानते सुरते दिल को तू अब और ना गिरा, यूं गिरा दिया प्यार से तेरे गाल, इनको तू यूं ना फुला, तेरी बातें सारी मानूं, मुझ पे ये ताने गिरा, सोचती तू है बड़ी टॉक्सिक पर मुझे तू लगे गुलाब, थोड़े काटे तो है सब में, तुम्हारो इस मन को यहाँ मैं क्या कहूँ, ये काले चश्मे होने ना दे तुमसे गुफ्तगू, हाँ किसने पासा किसको बोलो किसका ये कसूर, बताएं कैसे जो दिल में रखते, दिखाएं कैसे लाली में तेरी मिले सुकून, है चेहरे कितने पर मैं तुम पे आके ही रुकूं, ये दिल पलट के चांद का भी तोड़ दे गुरूर, ये आरज़ू है, ये आरज़ू है. Rockstar shades on my face, I sure do need more than I got right now. कहती Frappe मुझे लगा हम अच्छे दोस्त हैं, वो बोले मुझको I'm not the one you fall in love with. Yeah, we smashed in the first date but I got ghosted anyway. ये सेहत के लिए हानिकारक का shit तू भी समझे, 9 to 5 be a toxic, need a new resume. Baby, turn around for me, I'm trying to feel some. Sign करके आया team deal and that's a threesome. दर्पण में मन में अभी without a reason, सताए बेको संभाले कैसे, बचाएं कैसे, दिल से दिल की है ये आरज़ू, जो तुमने मन बना लिया तो मैं भी क्या कहूँ, ये काले चश्मे होने ना दे तुमसे गुफ्तगू, बताएं कैसे, ये आशिकी को संभाले कैसे.
What? What does it say? What does the chit say? What? How can you not tell us what the chit says? 1 second. This is not fair, man. What does it say? Wait, can we see what they wrote? No, we can't see. Okay, 1 second. Why did you not tell us what the chits say? That's not fair, man. That's not fair, Aditi. Aditi, Frappe, whose ever idea this was, very wrong. I also want to know. And this girl is very, very young. She's like, what, 12 years old? She's got nail polish. Sorry, but I had not been allowed at that age to toxify my nails and body. Anyway. Different times. Cover art thumbnails, Suryaveer. Okay, very nice. I like this video. Why is Frappe so hilarious? He's dressed like a tuition teacher. The last thing I had to see was Frappe cross-dressing. Like, really. यही बचा था, है ना? Frappe के पूरे उसमें. But it's cute. It's cute. The lyrics are cute. Obviously, they are not very relatable to children in the second verse. Hence, they had the adults talking to each other. I was like, bro, good you remove the children from this verse. Then they brought the kids back. And very cute. Bharg's lines, man. I think Bharg just excels in this space. Like his voice is best suited for this kind of vibe, sonic landscape. And yeah, yeah, I just love it. It was such a perfect fit, and both their voices complemented each other so perfectly. I think Frappe's one like super unique quality is how he camouflages. He's like a chameleon. He's like a chameleon, right? He just goes from like this rapper mode to this mode to some other like over the top mode to like pensive mode. Like very interesting guy as an artist overall. ये बाय द वे टीचर्स को मारना नहीं चाहिए, बहुत ही स्टूपिड है. टीवी तो बहुत पुराना दिख रहा है ऊपर, लेकिन एसी यूनिट नए जमाने की है. दैट इज व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग. बट वो बोली मुझको, आई एम नॉट द वन यू फॉल इन लव विद. ये सेहत के लिए हानिकारक, काश ये तू भी समझे. 95 वी आर टॉक्सिक, नीड अ न्यू रेज्यूमे. ये टर्न अराउंड साइन करके भर पॉप्ड इन फ्रॉम द बैग वाज सो. साइन करके आया 3 डीलें, दैट्स अ थ्रीसम. डरपन पे मन में अब भी विदाउट अ रीजन. संभाले कैसे जो तुमने मन बना लिया तो क्या कहूँ. ये काले चश्मे होने ना दे तुमसे गुफ्तगू. वेरी क्यूट हुक, वेरी वेरी ईयरवर्मी एंड लूपेबल, एंड बहुत ही क्यूट वीडियो. माय ओनली शिकायत इज व्हाई डिड यू नॉट शो अस व्हाट द चिट्स आर सेइंग एंड हु रीड्स लाइक दिस. ठीक है, आई मीन all the symmetry of it, but loved it. What a cute vibe. I am adding this to my happy romantic playlist. And now what is it called? E minus pain. Go and check it out. It's linked below as well. So yeah, Frappe's album is killing it. This is one of the best albums to come out from the scene this year. I'm just gonna call it. And Aditi Bobby, great music video per usual. And I can't get over the cuteness of this song. I'm telling you. अब तो ये हर वीडियो में मुझे रिपीट करना पड़ेगा. हर वीडियो में ऑफ लेट. All men are pookies. They are all pookies on the inside. जो आप लोग प्रिटेंड करते रहते हैं अदरवाइज ना, सब झूठ है. वी नो इट. तो अब दिख रहा है ना. हाउ लॉन्ग वर यू गोना बी एबल टू हाइड इट. 2025 was the year you all had to come out in the open and show us. है ना, हो गया. So all the boys I know have been looping the song since it dropped. I'm seeing in the comments only. How cute was this, man? Wow, amazing. I went back to 2010, crying emoji. Wow, this one, too cute AF. All that. Damn, so cute. Okay, I get it. You all are kooky. We get it, guys. We get it. Chalo, on that note, let me know which of all the videos, which one of this ice cream frappe has been your favorite so far. I think right now this is tied with Sharmili for me. Abhi I still have juice left to check out, but wo agli baar karenge, hai na? Chalo, you take very good care of yourselves and go and check out Homework. It's linked in the description below, and leave a comment on his page. So do that, Sanjay with an X. Definitely check him out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
दिल से दिल की है ये आरज़ू, जो तुमने मन बना लिया तो मैं भी क्या कहूँ. ये काले चश्मे होने ना दे तुमसे गुफ्तगू. बताएं कैसे ये आशिकी को संभाले कैसे.